Jalob jatend piny Kenya migosi William Ruto mabende koro manyo koma mar jatend piny Kenya kod Kenya Kwanza kochopo yiero noero maduong' mabiro. Bende koro chenro manyoro ne osingo ne oganda jo Kenya ni obiro keto chenro maber mokalo mag thieth e pacho ka indi kapo ne yiere kaka jatend piny Kenya kod katibu mabulo noero mar Kenya Kwanza.
As you've heard, 30% of our population are one sickness away from poverty.
A lot of money has been lost because NHIF, for instance, or NSSF, they would make real estate their core business. They would go on a buying spree, buying land, buying into areas that they do not need to buy into. And then when it was now time to call on the cash that is required to provide medical services or to even be able to pay the people who have contributed to NSSF and cannot get away with, the money was not there.
NHIF is still a very good vehicle, but it has to be managed properly. NHIF needs to be responsive to the needs of its members, because people sometimes, NHIF sometimes they talk like they forget that they're a members fund. So you forget whose interest they're looking out for. It has to be there responsive to the members' needs, and that's the only way the members will stick with them.
We have a facility that don't have drugs that are required at the right time, but they have drugs that stay in the stores until they expire. We just simply must sort it out. And you go to any health facility, you go to any county, they will tell you they have very serious challenges with cancer. We must figure out how we are going to start at the bottom. How the health center, how the dispensary, how the community health worker is going to be empowered sufficiently to be able to deal with the challenge right at the root. We must take health to the bottom of the pyramid.
In any case, a treatment for malaria at a referral hospital is costly than a lower level where probably it will be zero rated.
We have got a system where we are duplicating the services from Nakuru to Nairobi between one hospital and another. So every time we're duplicating tests, as opposed to going into the system and saying, what tests have you had done?
Statutory deductions can be paid on time. And there's a system where health workers can work across the country seamlessly.
They devolved the wrong thing. They devolved the health workers. You will hear that all of us asking for what is called a health service commission. A health service commission is devolution.